Yeah, what's up, B and Farkler? What's up, Azim? What's up, Dizzy? Thanks for rating on Saturday. Oh, no problem. Thanks for the bet. Wow, it was already Saturday. It was 2 days ago. All right, what am I doing? So I got to program the melee enemy first. That's the thing I want to do first. And so I think what I'm going to do is I need to set up states, obviously. So we need, I want it to idle. I want to have a patrol state and chase state. So when it sees the player, it'll chase the player. Yeah, let's just go with that for now. And then we'll deal with other stuff later. Let's see. Okay, so current state. Would this be, yeah, I'll just say states dot idle. Okay, so it starts in the idle state. Then I want to see if it has, oh, you're right. Yeah, I need to do it the set of the patrol nodes. So I have a list of patrol nodes, and then I have a list of patrol points, and then var, somebody's stupid car. Okay, patrol index 0, so that's the current point. And then if has node patrol points, then we will say patrol, what is this? For C in get node patrol points dot get children. There. So we get every one of these, and then we do patrol dot append the C dot global position. Alright, so that gives me all of that, and then I will set geez, money. Oh, thanks, sleep. Oh no, I don't stream often enough. I think also resets pretty often for bits. Current state equals states dot patrol. Okay, so if I set that, all right, so let's see. I need to it's interesting, it actually like remembers, I don't know if it does that on Twitch, but in Streamlabs it actually remembers the ranking, so it shows that you were 2 and then it says 1.
Thank God for cold fusion.
Okay, so errors. So we start in the patrol state, we have patrol nodes. Then I need to actually set the states. So so function process idle state, and then process the, oh yeah, okay, I'll just have to set up my usual state machine stuff. So we got the idle, we got the patrol, and we got the chase states, and I need to actually set them as well. Probably should use my automation script, whatever, it's done. Okay, so we set these, don't need to set delta in those, and we just set current state to equals states dot idle.
Thank God for cold fusion.
And then we do patrol, and then we do chase. Okay, and then I should be using these methods instead. Okay, so this one will be setting the okay, let's see. we set the patrol state at the start? Otherwise, I guess I'll just set the set idle state. Yeah. Okay, so we start in those states. That's a lot of a lot of bit spam. Okay. I feel like I'm being showered in pennies right now. Okay, so I need to match our current state to one of these states. So state idle. Then we do process. Yep.
Thank God for confusion.
Patrol and then finally chase.
Thank God for confusion.
Chase. There we go. Okay.
Thank God for confusion.
Sleep on that. What is this? Move vector. Oh, I didn't. Where should I set move vector? That should be set in. I mean, this should be set in all the. Oh, right. I need a dead state too. Do it? No, because you can't actually kill them. Okay, I don't. That means these need to get set every time, which means I should be setting move back outside of it, I think. That way I can reference it from other places. There, okay. So that means... What's up, Gamma? Okay, so... Oh man, how long? How many times is it gonna do that now? Let's see. Okay, so I need to detect if a player is visual. That's one thing, but alright, let's just program the patrol states, I guess. Anyone patrol states equals. Okay, so we're gonna have pause. Oops. Turn and move, I guess, right? And we'll have our current patrol state. Hang on. Give me that autocomplete. Okay. Okay, so we start. Okay, so if we patrol, we start in the pause state. That's the first thing I want to do is just make sure patrolling works, because that's going to be important for the mechanics. Can you not hear me? Oh. Hey, what's up, Nerdiful? How's it going? So just setting up basic enemy AI right now. So working on patrolling, patrol AI, I guess. So let's see. I need to define times for how long it does each of these. So let's see. Time was, I don't know. I guess I don't really need a turn state, maybe. Maybe I could, I guess. Okay, so patrol time, let's see, var pause time equals 0.0, var turn time equals 1.0. Okay, so then what we do is if we're in this, then we do, let's see, match current patrol state to dot pause. Chance you could convince me to test your game. I know you're working, so if you're not, do it. I don't know, what's the game? How difficult is it to test? Like if it's just a web build, I can just jump on that easy. Patrol states dot turn, yep. Patrol states dot move, okay. Okay, so if we're pause state, then we're gonna do pause time plus equals. Oh wait, no. Patrol time. Thanks for bits and stuff. This is for Jam Game. No, the next 4 devs 1 art kit video. This needs to be plus delta. What am I doing? No, this is 2D. This setup. Okay. Let's see. So patrol time is going to go up by this. Oh, I should set this to 0 when you set the state. So this will go up by that, and then if the patrol time is greater than or equal to the pause time, then we set patrol states equal to turn. Set our current patrol state to turn. Okay, so once we pause for a certain amount of time, we do that, and I should set patrol time to be 0. And it needs to have the move vector be 0. And it's like, wait, vector 2.0. There we go. How much progress have I made off stream? None, actually. All right, see you, Dizzy. Can I make a bit? None off stream. I've been having a busy weekend, I guess. So set that to 0, and then also it should be here. Wait, turn time. I should. Oh damn, I have to do some kind of turn code or something. Maybe I should just not do this. I'm not gonna do that. It's too much. Okay, so get rid of that. So we're just gonna have it instantly turn or something, I don't know. Hey, what's up, Rick? Let's see. Actually, how do you say your name? Is it Rick? So then we need to get the next node. So we're gonna do patrol points. Yeah, I like classical. I mean, this is like Twitch's shitty budget classical. Most of their music is shitty budget stuff, but it works. It's good enough, I guess. Oh yeah, NPR classical in the car is pretty good. Okay, so I need to do, let's see, get the goal point equals that. And then I do goal position. When I set this, I am normalizing it, okay. And when I do this, okay, yeah, that's fine. I don't need to normalize any of those. Okay, so I have this. We do goal point minus that. That gives me the direction to it. Then I just set the move vector to equal that, right? And then I need to check if the length squared is greater than 90. I guess that'd be 30 times 30. So means if we're 30 pixels away from our goal point, maybe I should do like 20 or something. Yeah. Just keep it a small amount. If it's less, and that would mean that we've reached the point that we're trying to get to. Then I do patrol index plus equals 1, and then I do patrol index mod by patrol points dot size. Okay. So that should make it loop around, right? Once we reach a point, then we just make it loop around. Oh, and I need to set the current patrol state equal to dot pause. Okay, so now let's try testing this out. So I can just add in a node 2D. Why is it throwing errors? That's weird. Add in a position 2D. And this is going to be called, what is it? Patrol points, okay. There, so now if I put you there and you here, so it should go to this point and then it'll turn around. Didn't work, okay. What did I mess up? So print. Okay, it's in the patrol state. Yeah, didn't work. Match it to this. Pause. Okay, now it's in move. Okay, so why isn't it moving when it's in the move state? I said, oh, right, because I defined it. Okay, I defined that as a local variable, that's why. Okay, so now character moves pretty fast. Okay, now they patrol. Cool, okay. I really like how the movement looks. So then, yeah, I could just like loop it around like that. Hey, what's up, Mir? They do skid a bit too, which is funny. Okay, so now I need to make so there's navigation. The real question is, should I put nav meshes on the tiles and hope that's good enough? No, of course not, because that would give it horrible performance. What's up, nerd? Okay, so I'm gonna have to hand draw every single nav mesh, I guess. Oh, also I should be setting their collision. So you on the characters layer, and you mask to, I guess, just that layer. I don't want them to collide with each other. There we go. Okay. So, navigation 2D, and then navigation polygon instance. Make a new one, and then we'll just draw it out. It's not that important how it looks. And then I just cut out the parts I don't want. Imagine having to actually draw out your nav meshes. This is why there's no level editor in my game, Deistyle. What's up, Rock'n'Roll? Welcome. You get to watch me program and complain for a couple hours. Okay, wait, I don't know why I did that. I need this to be in a group, I guess. This is how I like usually get navigation stuff, is I'll just have a reference to, or put it in a group, and then I just reference it. So I need like navigation 2D, and then I just get this on start. So get tree.get nodes in group navigation. And then I just see if n dot size is greater than 0, then nav will equal n 0. So that'll get me a reference to the navigation node. And then I can do stuff with it. So now I need to, how am I going to do this? I need to see if I'm looking at the player, I guess. How am I going to figure out if I'm looking at the player? Well, let's just see if I have line of sight first, I guess. So let's see. Function can see player, right? Oh, that means I need a reference to the player. Let's see, front has line of sight to point, vector, or point, vector 2. Return false. And for this one I can just do, oh, let's see, we need a reference to the player. So let's see, var player. Okay, and then we just do the same thing here. Okay, so this will be there. Okay, so then we get a reference to the player, and then probably shouldn't even do that. I can just, I want the game to fail. If I don't have the right, if I don't have a navigation node or a player node, the game should fail. So that way it doesn't fail later on. Oh, Jilted, is my face cam taking up too much space? I can make it smaller. Don't want it to obstruct anything on the screen. Let's see. So we want to see if we have line of sight to the player dot global position. And then I need to look up how do you do line raycasting in Godot again. What's up, Sublows? We need to get some conversation going like I did last time. Oh, this isn't the docs I want. Where's the one? Here it is. This is the one I want. That's not what I want. This is what I want. Okay, so I can get line of sight with this. Okay, so we see if we want to intersect a ray from our position to this point here. Okay. Collision mask will be 1 because I only want to collide with the environment. And then if we hit something, return false. Otherwise return true that we did not hit something, which means we have line of sight. What is this? Get world isn't declared in. What the hell? Get world. The docs are out of date here. What? Space state. Oh, wait, I need to get world 2D, I guess. That's strange. They say get kinematic body 2D. Did I? Oh, I caught. What? Yeah, that's a bug. Or that's an error in the docs right there. Look, it's supposed to say get world 2D. Let's see. Okay, so I can just see if this works. Let's see, I'll line this up to this. I need chase state written. So let's see. If I'm in the idle state or in the chase state. So if can see then set state, set chase state. Okay. Then we do the same thing in here. Return. So in the state, in the chase state, what I need to do is, if you finished college today, damn, congrats. What'd you graduate with? Debt? Ha! No. Probably, I mean, but hopefully a degree too. Let's see. We need to get nav.get path. What's the difference between get path to and get path? By dropping out. Nice, yes. Do you have a job already lined up? Oh, simple. Oh, I was looking at the wrong get. Oh, that is so annoying. Get simple path gives you the path, but if you do get path, it gives you the like text path to that node in the scene, like this here. Very annoying. Oh, that's very confusing. Get simple path. Start point is our position. and the endpoint is the player dot global position. And then we just see that. We do if path dot size is greater than 0, then we do, okay, I want it greater than 1. So the first point is always ours. We're going to say the move vector is equal to position. We want the direction from ours to the path 1 minus that. Oops, there. And yeah, there we go. Okay. No idea what you're looking at. Stick around. You don't have a job line. Oh damn. Jilted hop. Are you do you make games at all? Do you know anything about programming? Oops, what did I mess up? Player on base nil. What the hell? What? Player. You're in the player group. Group player. Get tree dog. Get nodes. Group player. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, right. I didn't change that. There we go. There we go. Okay, so it's chasing me now. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is test world. Let's move the player up here. This is all jargon to you. Let's see if I could explain it. So it's running around. So right now it's shooting a line towards me basically. But the line's hitting the wall. But if it hits me, that means it saw me and it's going to chase after me, right? That's basically it. And it moves faster than me. I can kind of... Oh, it doesn't move faster than me. Right, I haven't set that. But yeah, I need to set now. It makes so if it touches me, I die. Because this is going to be the melee enemy. So you see this green part? This is like everywhere that the enemies can walk, kind of. They'll use that to calculate a path towards me. So I need some kind of death animation on the player. Oh. And I can't make one on this, but I can make one on an animation player. So I'll make a death animation, which will be sprite, I guess. And I will put the player character, where is it? Characters. Okay, so this is you, right? So if I set these sprites on here, I will use idle. Yeah. Let's see. 4 horizontal frames, and then I want it to be the one facing forward. I can use this to put together a death animation or something. Pikachu following you around. I didn't actually play it. I only played one Pokemon game. Oh yeah, sleep. Make sure, if you're able to, make sure you hold out until you get like a really good offer. Because I got some garbage offers and I ignored all of them. Then I got a really good one like a few months later. It sucked waiting, but like it'll be a lot better because you get paid a lot more. And every job you get is gonna like be based off the one you got before it. Like you'll make more money overall if you have like a higher starting pay job. Okay, so so first off, I should do idle. I guess this will be the start on awake, and this will say that this is not visible, and in death it will be visible. This one will not be visible. Hey, go back to the animation. Are you kidding me? You can't animate that? No way, that's stupid. It doesn't let you animate this node? Sure, you have to be able to do that, right? Add track, property track. Okay, maybe if I do this. Okay, here we go. I had to, that's kind of stupid, I had to go around like that. Okay, so it's not visible there. Then in idle, it should be visible. Insert key, there we go. Okay, so there, it's it. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So here it's gonna make that invisible. You're just gonna take what you can get. Just ignore the needing 3-4 things. Click on animation bottom tab. Oh, duh. Okay, yeah, duh. Forgot about that. Thanks, Evans. Okay, so this one, I will keyframe rotation and position, and I'll like do like that or something. Whoops, oh, I forgot to move it, okay. So it'll like, I guess it could like bounce up or something. And I could make it cubic and make it go faster. Yeah, that works. Good enough. And I can put blood, of course. Blood particles are always good. This and new particles and gravity up, initial velocity 50. And then gravity drawing, don't make it local. Direction, make it go up. That's not up, that's negative up. Or that's down, I mean. YouTube thought this was Minecraft. What? My stream? It really is hell getting a job, but I don't know. If you went to a good college, I heard it's easier. The one I went to, the only like people, you know how they have like those things where people like they'll have job fairs. That's what it is. In the archives, in the oh, I totally forgot I was supposed to talk to some people. Whoops. Maybe later. Okay. Maybe in like an hour I'll get off. They have those job fairs at your college, or they did at mine, and all the CS ones were like total garbage. Because like I didn't realize it at the time, but then someone like explained it's like, yeah, they're probably thinking like, oh boy, we can like really take advantage of these idiot kids because they don't know any better. We're just gonna give them like really shit jobs and pay them nothing. Like the first place I interviewed at was like, I like went in, it was just like rows of like folding tables, and that's too powerful. And like it was just this dim room, rows of folding tables, and it was all like 20s something white guys just like lined up at computers just working. I was like getting really sketch vibes from this place. It's like, and like hearing questions about how they worked, I was like, man, it sounds like they work like way too much here. They have a lot of like crunch and overtime and stuff. Let's see, max randomize. It was like a really weird place. I was like, how come like the only people older than like 25 here is like the people in charge? Scale over time. Drop maybe the initial scale. Could I like improve the speed scale? Okay, maybe that. Drop the lifetime. Maybe it should be in front. They were like a, I don't know what you call it, like a, basically people would contact them like, hey, we want you to make this for us, right? And then they'd make it, right? So they would like, and they would like have to learn. So like basically a company would go to them and be like, we want you to make like a database thing that does this, or like an app, and we want you to make it in Python or Ruby or whatever. And they would just like, yeah, it would just basically be like that. So they'd have to learn some entirely new technology, right? Every single project they have to, and they would have to like, at the start, of course, they'd have to be like, okay, we can finish it this quickly, right? And then they'd have to learn this whole new technology they don't know anything about. and then make it in like 6 months or something, this app. So like, yeah, there's definitely, I was like, yeah, there's definitely a lot of crunch here, I bet. Like, there's no way that's like an easy, chill company. So, let's see. Visibility, that's what I want. Turn it on here. Turn it off. Same in idle. Oh, let's see, and this should be true here. Here it should not be true. That's annoying. How do I get it to... There, okay. What? You applied to a similar place and got turned down because they wouldn't be able to bill your hours at a high enough rate? What does that even mean? Okay, so when I die, I need, let's see, I have a player script. Kill, animation player dot play death. Okay, and then we'll set, let's see, our dead equals false. It's true, and then if dead return, and then we set character mover dot set move vector to dot 0. Oh, I see. Based on, yeah, who did the work, higher skill did, you could charge them more. Couldn't they just lie and say you're even more skilled than you were? Alright, let's see if this works. Oh wait, no, I haven't actually set it up to do anything. Okay. Melee enemy will have a kill. Let me add an area. Add an area. Kill. Whoops. Kill zone. You eat calzones? I eat kill zones. So this is gonna be like, yeah, that big, I guess. Layer, mask to the character layer. And then this is melee enemy specific, but let's just leave it here for now until I work on the ranged enemies, and then I can separate out what I want. Oh, they seem pretty legit. That's cool. The other place I went to definitely did not. They only wanted to pay $42K a year too, also, which was like pretty garbage for software developers there. Okay, so this, where did I save this as? Oh, I saved this as that. Whoops. There, okay. Now I can delete that, right? Is it gonna crash? Oh, yeah, it's gonna crash, okay. Wonderful. You refused to do overtime? Cool, that's good. That never even came up where I worked. Because my first job was like, it was all like middle-aged people there. I was like one of the only young people. It was like 2 people my age, I think. And, that's not an enemy, okay. Okay, oh, it's saved. And they were all like parents and stuff, and they all like were cynical and jaded. We're like, we're not working overtime, we want to go home. None of them would ever do overtime. They all left immediately on time. The tech company Airtown makes Adobe Acrobat, but only for the Bible. That's interesting. Oh, whoops. My audio is only been coming out of my speakers. Okay, there. I'm gonna do the GMTK jam. Nah. I have too many jams and stuff going on. Too much stuff I have to do. It's getting ridiculous. I need to just like stop working on things. But then I keep seeing new ideas and I'm like, I need to work on this. Maybe I should do this. Okay, should I set a... Oh, let's make a hook, I guess. That's the easiest way to do it. Ready hook. And then you just call that at the end of ready. And I always know it's gonna work. Okay, so function, ready hook. Oops. Okay, so in here I need to get, you are going to not have that script, you're gonna have that script. Then we're gonna have function kill player, oops, player on enter. Okay, and we're gonna say if body.is.has method kill, then we say body.kill. There, okay, so if it's the player we do that, and then we say connect no wait. Killzone dot connect body entered to self. I cannot wait for this to not be text-based. In 4.0, I think it's 4.0 they're making, so it's not string-based, but it's going to be actual like autocomplete and stuff, which will be great. Okay, there we go. So now it should kill me when I touch the enemy. Yep, okay, cool. Looks like it's drilling. Okay. I should do if player dot dead, then set state idle. And in here I will say move vector equals vector 2.0. What's up, Angel? Glad you like the videos. Finally got wise. Realized you need to do a paper prototype. How are you going to do a paper prototype? Oh, playable version. I guess some games work with paper prototypes. Some stuff doesn't work that well. I guess the fast-paced stuff it's harder to do. Though I have heard of people trying out stuff with just like doing a clock and making it kind of turn-based, so it's like goes kind of fast. Okay, what am I doing here? If can see player and oops, player dot dead. There we go. So that way after you die it should go back to whatever it's doing. There. Cool, okay. Turn-based stuff, yeah. Okay, so now the enemies kill. Let me just respond to my friends who are like... forgot I was supposed to call friends today at like 10. So, I don't know, maybe I'll just mute the stream for 5 minutes. Oh, I could load up the platformers. I forgot about that. I have that on here somewhere. And then you could all, yeah, you could play that while I while I do the phone call. Okay, so we have this worked out. Okay. What am I doing next? I want to do melee, or I need to add a graphic to the enemy so it actually has like a melee weapon or something. I'm thinking how I could do that. So in the art assets, where are those? I wanted a baseball bat. There was a baseball bat in here somewhere. I think it was in here somewhere. Theme sorter, I think. And it was in like... There's like a store. It's not these. Maybe I could do two. I could do a knife and the, yeah, I could use that knife. Ooh, maybe I could use this as the baseball bat. That would work too. So we got the knife under kitchen. And then we got, there's a baseball bat somewhere. Is in here? This is gym. I just could probably use one of these as a gun or something. Art, music. Oh, this. Here we are. Why is it? Oh, music and sport. Okay. So music and sport has one. So let's see. Kitchen and music and sports. I will import. Okay, so okay, I got an idea what I could do. I got an idea. So I could set sprite here. Let's see. No. MTD melee weapons. Okay. This one will be knife, and this one will be bat. We do region enabled, texture region, snap to pixel snap, and then we get that knife. Okay, yep, looks good. Let's see. Okay, and then for the bat, we get the music and sports region on texture region. Oh, it's got a weird shadow on it. I didn't even notice. Why does it have a weird shadow? That's dumb. Does it have that in the image? Oh, it does. Huh. I could just edit that out. Let's see if I grab you. Or I could just like ignore it for now. Okay, so if I do that, that's one thing, but if I'm doing running left, whoa, what is this animation here? Can I delete this? Okay, so if I idle left, could I just rotate this? Maybe I could rotate it like that, put it behind you, or I could leave it in front. I could rotate it down, maybe. Okay, so that's for left. For right, and then just flip it, I guess. Yeah, flip everything there. And then for down, or no, up, would be I mean, I could just, I think I need to line these up because it looks weird like that. Okay. So I want to have it like randomly choose one. What if I had it, so I could have this be the handle there, right? Then I could just write down positions or something. So we will say, first up, get child, we'll just do random int modded by 2, and if it's 0, then I will set bat to show. No, I'll just say bat.hide, else knife.hide. There we go. That's good enough. And then we'll update direction. Update direction. And I will, how do I want to do this? Because I have this graphics things and it can pass in, or it handles directions, right? So I could do like a signal direction updated, and I could also do class name enemy graphics, and then I could do that in here. I could be like, let's see, we'll pass in direction. Oops. Okay, I can't use that as a type, but I could do if dir equals enemy graphics dot directions dot down. Okay, then okay, I can set positions based on this. Up, okay, left, and right. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that gives me a random weapon, and then that. So then I need to actually, I guess, choose this. So if it's up, I will set transform to be -7, -1. Let's see. Up. -7, -1, and then -15 rotation. If it is to the right, then I will set it to 0, and I will set it to 75. So 0, 0, and 75. If it's idle left, then it's -75. Okay. And then if it's down, it'll be -15 and -8. Okay. 0 and -15. Okay. So oh wait, that's this. Okay. So we will say, we'll rotation or degrees equals, see, down was -15, and global position, no, position, I don't need, this will equals vector 2, -9 and 0. Okay, to the right is 75. Left is -75. These both have 0 positions. And then up was -7 and -1. Okay, so now I actually need to call that. So I need this to actually export something. Direction updated. So every time I call this, I need to update the direction. So emit signal, direction updated, pass the direction. Okay, literally declared right there. What are you talking about? Oh, that. All right, so now I need to connect that. So enemy graphics needs to be connected to connect to, what is it, melee weapons, and see what that does. Does a break. Okay, so it has a bat. Yeah, it looks like it's, I can't tell. I think it's updating the position and stuff. Yeah, it looks like it. It's a little off though. Maybe it's just that character. Oh, that is way off. What the hell? Zero, and then when they go up, it needs to be more to the left. Weird. Okay, when they're going up. Oh, right. It needs to be. Oh, okay. I messed these up. That's -7. That's -1. These are 0. Hey, what's up, Captain Con? Okay, so I will duplicate a bunch of these. Oh, that. Okay, I will not. I could just move their position, their patrol points over, I guess. Okay. Why do they all have baseball bats? What the hell? What? Do they all just... Oh, I guess they just all rolled to have the bat. That's crazy. Okay, so 2 of them have knives. Okay, there we go. Whoa, why did they go around? Interesting. Okay. Cool. Okay, nice. Now they have weapons, they have graphics, they patrol, they can spot you. It doesn't make sense, their directions, but okay. That's fine. They just, I need to set up vision cones next. So now I need to call, I have a phone call. So I'm going to set up, whoops, not that. I need to set up, do I have exports for this? Hang on. Open a new window. Where, hang on, what was it called? Twitch racing game? I can't remember what the project name is. Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll just open. I feel like this probably isn't as up to date in that version. Facecam too big. Sorry, I can make it smaller. Hang on. Import. Twitch chat racing game. I'm gonna hide it in a second, actually. Okay, let's see if it works. It should work in this latest version here. Okay. So I need to set this up. Yeah, okay, hold up. Hide. Let's see. I'll just hide it here. Hang on. Here we are. Okay. See if that works. Okay, cool. All right, I have a phone call, so I'm just gonna mute my mic. And yeah, entertain yourselves.